All right, this is Mike. I'm out here for, we can't really do an inspection. It is January 18th, about 12 degrees Fahrenheit. I haven't been out here since early December when I installed a winter bee kind feeder board. At that time it was about 45 degrees. We had kind of have had an unusual winter in that multiple cycles of cold and meltdowns. Started out in November being a pretty nice November, which is unusual right there. December started out very cold with a string of storms. It warmed up. Meltdown, we've had a few cycles of that. For one of the rarest times I've ever seen snow or rain in January. So what temperature's been up and down, we're in for, this is the coldest week of the year traditionally, and it's living up to it. So I want to come out here and inspect to see if we've got dead bees in our entrances. I want to clear that out, lift the hive, see if it feels like they still have food, and that's about all we can do for right now, and hope for the best. So we're going to check this out here. Hold it. Okay, it's kind of froze, so might not be able to do this like I wanted to. I'm not going to force it too much because I don't want to break something. There we go. So we've got a few dead bees, broken rubber bands, and looks like some pollen or something, maybe parts of the feeder board, so maybe that's good if they're feeding on it. We'll check the other one, then we're going to lift the hive, see if it feels like they've got food. Here we go. Oh, a bunch of dead bees here. Hopefully a couple ladybugs too. So I don't know, they tell me this is kind of normal to see some dead bees. I don't see piles of them, but it's quite a few of them. Hopefully somebody's still in there shaking it up, keeping it warm. Oop. Again, I don't want to break anything, so we're not going to manipulate too much here. Alright, thanks Mark for video assistance. Where the heck's this going here? Like that, I think.
Looks right.
Alright, so I'm going to lift the back of the hive, see how heavy it feels. That's about all we can do right now. I don't expect them to be doing much today because it's pretty cold. It was very cold last night. And then again, like I said, into the coldest week of the year. Very unscientific. Feels pretty heavy. It was only a guess when I put that on, so I don't really know. Feels like maybe really doesn't feel much different than when I put it on. I don't know. So I'm gonna try and listen for any noise, but I don't hear anything. Alright, so that's about it. If you like it, we're going to have Wolf put this in the video and let us know what you think.